how to remove green screen in CapCut. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can remove green screen in CapCut. So as you can see, guys, I've already downloaded a video that we're going to be using for this example. So go ahead and import your video. When you import, go ahead and click on add. When you click on add, I want to click on the clip you want to remove the green screen. So regardless of however or wherever you are doing it, even if it's an overlay, just go ahead and just go ahead and click on the video. So when you click on the video, I want you to look for where it says cutout. So look for where it says cutout, click on cutout. When you click on cutout, click on where it says Chroma key. So go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, as you can see, guys, color picker, go ahead and click, just scroll to the green screen or wherever you want to remove. So when you do that, click on where it says intensity. So when you click on intensity, guys, go ahead and bump it up to 100. So when you bump it up to 100, as you can see, guys, my green screen has gone. Click on OK, and then if you play the video, guys, as you can see, I'm going to be playing this video for you to just see how it works. So as you can see, guys, the green screen is no more showing. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.